Working with an individual who has different goals, or as we define it in this question, a difficult personality, may be something that is a hurdle that you have to overcome in your divorce process. However, here at Atticus Family Law, we've seen these kind of cases before, and we really work with our clients in our strategy session to make sure that our client understands our processes, and then we discuss what steps we can take to help alleviate any of those hurdles before they come up, ideally, and sometimes as they come up. We're here to support our clients with these difficult situations. So some approaches that we may take, it's great to have a lawyer. The lawyer will be able to help you by communicating directly with that party or with their lawyer and kind of removing that conflict between you and the other person. And we can also work with other resources available, such as a mediator or other neutral professionals who can help to resolve some of that conflict between the two of you.